to the Fun Family. It's me, your boy Taha, and today we are going to Khorfakkan Beach. Like, we had a part one a few years ago, like 2 years ago, I think, and we're going once again. I am very excited, guys. Let's do that. Chicken 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Boom, boom, boom. Hey, guys, make sure you like, subscribe, and subscribe, and share, and everything. Because this is gonna. Oh, shit. Sorry, the phone fell down. This is gonna be one of the greatest videos ever, except for the sand part, because we didn't do much in there. All we did was dig and have fun in the ocean. In the ocean, you know what I did. It's pretty scary from the rocks and the fishes. So I did not really film much in the ocean because it was just me screaming out loud. And we just dug in the ocean. Alright guys, see you later in the next, not in the next vid. See you guys in like a few minutes. Alright guys, so we are in the car right now. I'm just going to show you the scenery and a lot of more. Okay guys, look at this. Just look at it. There's sand after sand after sand. There's like nothing else except for sand over here, guys. Just ongoing sand. There's even sand dunes. If I show you on this side, it's just sand and sand and sand. And the best view is always from the front seat. Just look, it's just sand. There's nothing else. We're almost there to Khorfakkan. I think it's an hour away. So I'll show you guys anything else that comes up, and yeah.
यार मकान नहीं तो वीडियो सही काटी नहीं सारा व्यू खराब कर रहा है मकान में वो पहले हाँ थैंक यू ब्रदर
Wet.
Well, it's a pixie, and I know that hair by them just going to make it ponytail.
Ponytail.
And then now this is this here. Now how do you look like? I look amazing, right?
Alright guys, so we're back home now after 4 hours of driving and 3 hours of having fun. And we just finished off the day with some McDonald's, and now I'm just gonna edit the video right now. By the time you're watching this, I was editing the video for around 30 minutes. All of my hard work for you guys. I hope you enjoy. Subscribe, like, smash the like button, share this video with all your friends. Hope you had a fun day, and yeah, I guess I'll see you around soon. Sorry for not uploading, there's not much going on because of COVID. So there's not really much to upload. So yeah, probably gaming videos coming up soon. Some Fortnite gaming videos, some probably cars, Minecraft maybe. No, not Minecraft, too boring. Alright, so yeah, I guess some gaming videos are gonna be coming up. Alright guys, let's do the handshake in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, boom, boom, boom. Hey, see you guys in the next vid.